We're going to be doing probability today. And I'm going to read some stuff to you about it. Probability is the way to measure how likely things are to happen at random. As believers in God, we know that nothing just happens. But since we don't have God's knowledge, we sometimes predict how likely things are to happen. So we don't believe in luck and all those kind of things, but we can predict things like weather and things like if we had so many things in a bin and we pulled it out. That's not luck. That's just how likely is something to happen. Okay?
Right.
And so probability also shows us how reasonable it is to believe in many things, including the creation of life happening only by chance or at random. And so there are many scientists who are creation scientists, who have actually set up the probability of how likely it would for us to just be created by chance. And it is so microscopic that to believe in it takes faith, a lot of faith.
Yeah.
Probability is something that happens. The probability of happening is simply the number of ways that a chosen event can occur, and then we divide that by the number of ways all of it could occur. Okay, and I'm going to go over some examples on how that works.
Okay.
Probability that if there is no chance that it can happen, we give it a 0 value.
Okay.
If something, the closer the probability gets to 1, this is the most likely it can happen. We can't have probability greater than 1, and we can't have probability smaller than 0. So your numbers are always going to be either a fraction or a decimal, nothing larger than 1 and nothing smaller than 0. Okay, so let's do some examples. Okay, let's pretend that you found a sock, and you found one black sock, and you needed to go find its match. And so you went into your room, and it was dark, and somebody was sleeping in the room, and you didn't want to turn the light. So you opened the drawer, okay? And you knew that in the drawer, before you even picked anything, you knew that there were going to be 3 blue socks. Excuse me, you got 1 black sock. There was 3 black socks, 4 white socks, and 4 gray socks. You knew were in there, okay? And you just wanted a match for your 1 black sock that you had. So this is in the drawer. 3 black socks, 4 white socks, and 4 gray socks. And so since the lights are out, you can't sort around. You just have to grab 1 sock. And we want to know how likely it is that you will get the match for that sock. Okay? And so what we need to do is we need to use this probability equation here. So first of all, we need to find how many socks are even in there so that we can have all the occurrences. So there are 3 black ones and 4 white ones and 4 gray ones. So we have to add those up, and that turns out to be 11, okay? So the denominator of all the chances, there are 11 socks. But how many are your kind of sock that you're looking for?
1.
You're looking for a black sock. How many black socks are there?
There's only 1.
You have 1 black sock, but there are 3 black socks you could pick in there that could match.
Oh, wait, I thought they were blue socks.
I'm sorry, did I say blue on accident? I meant to say. Because then you wouldn't be able to find any match at all. It would be totally 0 if that was blue. I might have accidentally. The B stands for black. There are 3 black socks, 4 white socks, and 4 gray socks. And you're looking for the match for the 1 black one you have.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
So there's 3 in there.
So there are 3 that you could pick out of there. So your probability is 3 out of 11. And did I add that right?
You did.
Yep, I did. So what we'd do is we'd get our calculators out and we'd find our percent. We'd say 3 divide 11, and we'd say it was a 27% chance that you could get a sock that matched.
Okay, yeah, that's not that bad.
So another scenario, you this time have found a black one and a gray one.
So you're going to have the 2 next to each other?
You're going to have, and so this time you're going to go into your room and you know that you have 5 black ones, 8 white ones, 6 gray ones, and 6 blue ones. So what goes in the denominator?
25.
25. You added those up. Good job.
Thank you.
But you're looking for a blue and a gray one.
So you have 2.
So you actually, I guess you're only looking for one of the 2 of those socks. It's in their time. Yeah, you want to.
So you have 5 choices of black and 6 choices of gray.
Yes. So a total of
11.
Yes, and so we put that into our calculators. 11 divide 25.
12 plus 8 is 20. and then 25. Okay.
You got it right. 11 divided 25. So you have a 44% chance of finding the matches. Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Does it get any harder than
It doesn't
this?
get any harder than that. So we have to add.
Okay.
You'll add up the chances that all of the everything, and then this is the all, and that's the part.
Okay.
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 Right. You got it.
Awesome. That's not. I thought it was gonna be worse than that was.
Not at all.